This short guide explains how to buy shares of Aris Mining Corp using a typical brokerage. Aris Mining Corp is a mineral exploration and mining company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker ARMN, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy ARMN, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ARMN to locate Aris Mining Corp. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the listing and company description match Aris Mining Corp before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and submit. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or filled according to the order type. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.